Bonjour French Chic ladies. Today I am sharing Sabrina's complete style transformation story and how she went from shapeless outfits to turning heads everywhere she goes. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how she did it. This is not just about clothes. This is about a woman who decided she deserved better. If you've ever felt that your outer appearance didn't match who you really are, Sabrina's story will inspire you. Let's meet Sabrina. She's 45 years old and lives in Buenos Aires, Argentina. She is a university professor and researcher, brilliant, accomplished, and respected for her mind. She loves music, cooking, nature, and the arts. But look at her before photos. The clothes hide her hourglass figure. Colors wash her out. She was, as she said herself, clueless about her body shape, her color palette, and what flatters her. Here is what breaks my heart. She believed that appearance does not matter, that caring about style was superficial, frivolous, and not for serious women. But deep down, Sabrina knew that there was something wrong. She would attend academic conferences and professional events, doing her absolute best work intellectually, but her appearance did not match her intellectual capabilities. She felt invisible, dismissed before she even opened her mouth. Then, 2 or 3 years ago, Sabrina had a realization that changed everything. She finally understood that appearance does matter, not because of vanity, but because of self-respect. How you present yourself to the world is how you treat yourself. It is part of honoring who you are. I hear so many women and I read so many comments on my videos from women who say that they will dress how they want. They do not care about style advice. I feel it is not really honoring who they are. So what Sabrina said next will resonate with many. She looked at herself in the mirror and said, "This is not what I deserve, and this has to change." She realized that it was not about impressing others. This was about being respectful and mindful of herself. Is Sabrina's story resonating with you right now? Have you ever felt that your appearance does not match your inner worth? Get my free A to Z guide to French Chic that gives you 26 simple style tips to get you started on your style journey. The link is in the description box below. So Sabrina started her style journey. She found me on YouTube. She learned about her body shape. She learned which colors suited her and what flatters her hourglass figure and what does not. And you can see in this outfit that Sabrina, knowing that she was an hourglass figure, started wearing a belt to show off her beautiful waistline. She's wearing a long white top and long trousers, so it's lengthened her legs, and she accessorized with shoes and handbag in the same color palette. You can hardly believe it's the same woman. What do you think of Sabrina's style transformation so far? Let us know in the comments. So we can see here that Sabrina started experimenting with her color palette, finding shades that make her shine instead of washing her out. In the next photo, we can see that she's experimenting with blazers and how they can be used to enhance her figure. We can see that she's actually thinking about her outfit. Here, we see a mix of casual and smart, which creates the French chic, casual chic that we all love. So she's wearing a striped top with kind of a beige trousers and a red jacket over the top. The navy blue shoes anchor the whole look together. And I noticed as well that Sabrina has started pulling up the sleeves of her blazer, which creates a more relaxed and confident look. She's styling, no longer just wearing the clothes. And she finished the outfit with a handbag that is in one of the colors of the outfit. Sabrina has really thought about this outfit. It is all put together really well and is very coherent visually. And here is what I love. Sabrina said she does not just follow the rules. She developed a system. Now she no longer goes anywhere without planning her outfit. She keeps her body shape, colors, and proportions in mind. She also started to look after herself in other ways: eating habits, regular exercise, and a new beauty routine for her skin and hair. Because Fan Chic is not just about clothes, but the whole woman. And she developed my mantra: if it's not a wow, it's a no, ladies. No more settling, no more just good enough, only pieces that make her feel great. But here's the truth that nobody talks about. When you transform like Sabrina did, not everyone will celebrate with you. She found that her style transformation made some people insecure. They said she was overdressed, trying too hard. Some even said that elegant clothes are aging. But Sabrina knew something that those critics did not. Sabrina continues dressing beautifully because she's not dressing for them. She's dressing for herself. And now look at this photo. Sabrina's style transformation is now complete. Look at her smile. What do I love about this outfit? Everything. The color and shape of the dress, the blazer that matches the dress, the new shoes that lengthen her legs, the pop of color in the scarf that brings the eye towards the face. And what about the sassy attitude? This is definitely a stylish professor. Do we think now that her appearance matches her academic abilities? You bet. Same woman, same intelligence, same warmth. She's just honoring herself to the way she presents herself to the world. But the real transformation, Sabrina said, was that she began to feel more confident and happier, and dressing and looking after herself the way she deserves. If my style advice has helped you on your style journey, contact me at info@mariannelecoeur.com and you may appear in one of these videos. Sabrina now says that her appearance matches her academic abilities. When she enters an academic space, she commands attention. And this is what I hear from so many women who take my style advice, that they suddenly become visible again. I give style advice that honor who you are. So that was Sabrina's complete style transformation, from invisible professor to a confident, elegant woman who turns heads everywhere she goes. If you enjoy Sabrina's transformation, you will love the video on screen now.